How to encrypt a USB drive on Windows 11 or 10. This video will introduce 3 effective methods to help you secure your files. Way 1. How to encrypt a USB drive with Bitlocker. Insert the USB flash drive into your computer. Right-click on the USB flash drive. Select the Turn on Bitlocker option. Select Use a password to unlock the drive. Enter and confirm your password and click Next. Choose the way you backup recovery key and save the secret key. Then follow the prompts to finish the encryption process. Way 2. How to encrypt a USB drive with SafeUSB Genius. Go to iSunshare's official website. Download and install iSunshare's SafeUSB Genius on your computer. Launch the software. Once you insert the USB drive, the software will automatically recognize it. Click Encrypt to proceed. Enter and confirm your password. Then click the Encrypt button. Your USB drive has been successfully encrypted. To access the files on the USB drive again, simply enter the password you set earlier and click Decrypt button. How to encrypt a USB drive with SafeUSB Genius. Go to iSunshare's official website. Download and install iSunshare's SafeFile Genius on your computer. Launch the software. Click the Encrypt button on the interface. Click Folder button or the icon of File button. Set and confirm your password. After the encryption is completed, the encrypted files will display a special logo. You can choose whether to delete the original folder or not. 0. To access the encrypted file, click Decrypt button. That's all there is to today's topic.